beautiful video. So today I'm going to show you how I did this beautiful twist on my hair, and please leave a like right now onto my video, and please subscribe and share the video. I really appreciate you guys, and let's get to the video.
Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my hair with water to get that moisture, because my hair is very hard and brittle too. And then I'm going to apply hair mayonnaise on my hair to get that to get that softness. And lastly, I'm going to seal it off with Shebe Hair Grow. It smells very good, guys. It smells good. Okay, I have plaited my hair. I did cornrows using a wool, and I'm going to use the Thobza twist by Scarlet Hair. It has 10 to 12 14-inch, and it has 6 bundles. It's 10-inch, it's 12-inch, and it's also 14-inch. As you can see how they've separated the inches for us to not get confused. So I'm going to use this crochet to crochet the 10-inch at the bottom of my hair. As you can see, I've already crocheted the twist. Now I'm going to use the 12-inch to crochet in the middle of my head or hair. So I'm going to open up the knot. Please follow through as I demonstrate. Crochet the 14-inch on the top. Now it's time for me to lay my edges. I'm going to use the Styles gel. People who know me knows that I love laying my edges very well. So this is the final touch. The twist, I'm loving this twist. It's very, 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 very beautiful, guys. Ooh, I look so gorgeous. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. Please subscribe and share this video to people who are struggling to style their hair. Like, comment, and subscribe, or you can dislike if you didn't like the video. Thank you very much for following me. Until next time, see you. Bye.